So what we have here is a Kona Mahuna 2016. Ibabike check na natin. So the frame is 6061 aluminum, I guess. Aluminum alloy. Large siya kaya medyo malaki. Slot yung frame. Slack. Tapos yung geometry niya. Ito. Pakita na no. So the fork is XCR center with and some rack shocks, wheeling rack shocks decals. Tapos wheel set is WTB SX19. Comes up with Saguaro Victoria 2.20. Tubeless setup pero hindi pa yan tubeless. So group set is Dior M6000 except the brake. The brake set is a non-series M1 200, I guess. So this and the hub is a Genova 3 poles sealed. Comes up with a non-series Shimano rotors. Battle cage is a cut eye.